Greetings everyone. Today we are going to revise the important questions and answers of the lesson on the face of it. This lesson is written by Susan Hill and has been taken from your book Vistas. So types of questions which are asked, they are multiple choice questions, 1 marker each, that we'll be discussing in separate videos, not here. And second type is short answer type question that will be of 2 or 3 markers and you will be supposed to answer this in 30 to 40 words. Then we'll have third type, that is 5 marks each, and you are going to answer it in 100 to 120 words, and this can sometimes be of 6 marks also. Now first we'll be discussing the short answer type questions, that is 30 to 40 words. So first question which we have is, why did Mr. Lamb help Derry? In what sense is the friendship between Mr. Lamb and Derry fruitful? Mr. Lamb, how did he help him and how is their friendship fruitful? So abhi now you are watching lots of points written here, okay? So आप ये मत सोचिएगा that in 2 markers you have to include all these points. I took all these points because I wanted to include more and more points related to this question. This type of question means these 2 questions clubbed together, they can come in 5 marker section also. So answer to this question is that both Mr. Lamb and Derry, these both people were victims of physical impairment or deformity. They were suffering from physical deformity या फिर physical impairment. दोनों को कुछ न कुछ issues थे physical. Derry had secluded himself from the society and Mr. Lamb was full of life. दोनों को कुछ physical impairment थी but दोनों का attitude towards life different था. क्या different था? डेरी ने जहां अपने आप को समाज से अलग कर लिया था, he did not mix with people at the same place. Lamb was full of life. He had a feeling of empathy towards the boy. डेरी जब उनसे मिलने आया था, उनके गार्डन में आया था, तो जब उन्होंने उसे देखा, so he had a feeling of empathy. Sufferings of life had failed to dampen his spirit. जो भी उनकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम थी, सफरिंग्स थी, they had failed to dampen his spirit. उनकी स्पिरिट कम नहीं कर पाई. Help Derry to change his perspective. What else he did? While talking itself, Derry को काउंसिल एक तरह से मिस्टर लैम ने किया और क्या किया, उसका जो एटीट्यूड था, नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड टूवर्ड्स लाइफ, नेगेटिव पर्सपेक्टिव टूवर्ड्स the society and life, he changed this and he taught him to enjoy every moment. Life के हर moment को enjoy करना उसे सिखाया, उसे encourage किया ऐसा करने को. And these both people had same problems that as I said, and they had different attitude. दोनों का attitude towards this problem was different. His view towards life, despite of all odds, changed Derry's outlook. Derry ने भी realize किया that Mr. Lamb also is having issues. Then also he is living a happy life and he is always satisfied, satiated. So why not me? So उसका भी outlook थोड़ा change हुआ towards life and he could see the other side of the world. Derry could see the other side of the world. वो life का, world का दूसरा side अभी देख सकता था because of Mr. Lamb. Now next question we have, how does Mr. Lamb keep himself busy when it is a bit cool and why does Mr. Lamb leave his gate always open? ये 2 questions हैं, okay? So 2 questions means there are 2 parts in this question, so you will be answering both the parts. एक भी part skip नहीं करना है. So what answer will be writing? First thing, Mr. Lamb enjoyed all circumstances and seasons. वो लाइफ का हर हाल में लाइफ को एंजॉय करते थे and he enjoyed all the seasons also. साल के सभी सीजन को एंजॉय करते थे. And when it got cooler, so what he did, he gathered crab apple from his orchard and he made jellies with those apples. Apples को कलेक्ट करते थे और उसकी jellies बनाते थे. This way he spent his cool time, his winter time, and he always kept his gate open and did not mind strangers entering. Strangers का आना उन्हें कभी भी ऐसा नहीं था कि he did not like. He liked strangers coming to his garden, his home. That is why he kept his gates and windows always open. And one of the biggest reason of this habit was that he wasn't afraid of anything. He had nothing to lose, so he was not afraid of anything. That is why he allowed strangers also to his house and garden. Next question is, What did Derry's mother think of Mr. Lamb? What was Derry's mother's views towards Mr. Lamb? So there were a lot of rumors towards Mr. Lamb because वो अपने गार्डन में रहते थे, अपने ऑर्चर्ड में रहते थे और अपना मी टाइम वो एंजॉय करते थे. So strangers को भी allow करते थे. So this was a bit weird for the outsiders, outside people. So there were lots of rumors about him. So she, like other people also, did not like Mr. Lamb and she thought him to be a bad man. And obviously, if she is considering him to be a bad man, she will not allow his son to remain in touch with this man. Okay, she did not want Derry to go back to Mr. Lamb. Next question, how does Mr. Lamb try to remove the baseless fear of Derry? जो Derry का baseless fear था, उसको Mr. Lamb ने कैसे remove किया? So, by telling that nothing in this world is so worthless that it deserves to be considered as trash. Derry को क्या लगता था कि वो इस world में useless है, worthless है, उसकी कोई value नहीं है. But what Mr. Lamb told him, ये बहुत important line है, important from the point of view of this lesson also and from the point of view of life also, that nothing in this world is so worthless that it deserves to be considered as trash, कि उसको कचरा समझा जाए, because कचरे की भी अपनी एक value होती है and we all know this. Even weed has its own value. जो weed है, weed here is unwanted grass in our field between among the crops. Okay, crops के बीच में जो weed उग जाती है, that also has its own value. So we are not worthless at all in this world. This is the main thing which Mr. Lamb taught Derry. And he advises Derry to ignore people's comments and think of beautiful objects. He is telling, when Derry is telling that people keep on commenting in front of me also and on my back also, that nobody will like a boy with such a face, he looks very ugly, nobody will love him, no woman will love him, only a mother can kiss such a face, no girl will be loving him. So all these comments were disliked by Derry and he hated. So that is why he did not want to be around people. So Mr. Lamb ने कहा कि वो Derry क्या करे, इन सब पे फोकस ही ना करे. Okay, जो भी उसके बारे में ये बातें की जा रही है, Derry shouldn't focus and comment and think of beautiful object, and he should think of the good things only. Fine, the good thing, the people, he should think about the people who are talking good about him. Okay, तो हमें भी यही करना चाहिए life में. If people are talking bad about us, try to ignore that and only focus on those things which are good to us, which seem good, which we are liking actually. Only good things are worth hearing. Only good things about you, only good things about others are worth hearing. And it is attitude towards life that matters. Okay, life सबकी ups and downs से भरी होती है, but what your attitude towards life is, that matters, because nobody's life is perfect. We all have some issues. So what we have to do, we have to accept our issues with open heart and we have to work to come out of the difficulty. So it is what? The positive attitude towards life matters. Now we'll come to the long answer type questions, 100 to 120 words and to be answered in and to be answered in 100 to 120 words, and the marks allotted will be 5 or sometimes 6. Now comes the first question of this category. What is the bond that unites the two, the old Mr. Lamb and Derry, the small boy? ये जो दो हैं, Mr. Lamb, old man Mr. Lamb and the small boy Derry, कौन सा bond है that unites these two people, and how does the old man inspire the small boy? How is this old man able to inspire this small boy Derry? So what answers, what points, what sentences you will be writing in this? So what you'll write? First you'll give introduction. Whenever long answer type questions are given, so first few lines like 1, 2, 3, you can give intro of your answer. Okay, what you're going to write about. ये important होता है. जैसे यहाँ पे क्या है, first few lines में Mr. Lamb का intro दिया हुआ है. Like Derry had a burnt face and Lamb had a tin leg. दोनों का intro, the two main characters are introduced here. Okay. So, and here reason is also given that how Mr. Lamb got a tin leg. His leg was blown off in a war. War में जब वो थे, so उनका leg blown off हो गया था and he had a tin leg because of that. Mr. Lamb is an angel. Negativity found no place in his life at all. वो angel है because whatever problems in life came in front of him, उन्होंने सबको happily accept किया. He accepted all the problems of life happily with open heart, and same thing he tried to teach Derry also. Negativity found no place in his world. Beauty not limited to outer appearance. एक और उनका thought क्या था? That beauty is not limited to outer appearance only. Okay, it doesn't matter how you look, because beauty is not all about the outer appearance. It depends your inside also, that what type of person you are. And he talked to him nicely. Mr. Lamb talked to Derry nicely, जो कि Derry से कोई नहीं करता था, but Mr. Lamb talked to him lovingly, nicely, and Derry also loved it. And he taught him to accept himself, जो कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया. Self acceptance is really very important. We can call it a mandatory thing in life. Life में हमारे ये mandatory होता है to accept yourself. If you are not accepting yourself, then how are the other people going to do it? Okay. Now, next point which you can include in this answer is that Mr. Lamb had undying optimism and ever friendly attitude. Mr. Lamb का जो optimism था, positivity थी, it was undying. It never got finished. And he had ever friendly attitude and friendly attitude towards everyone. And this attitude attracted, and his encouraging words elevated Derry's confidence. Derry जो under confident था, उसमें जो self esteem की बहुत कमी थी. So this encouraging words which Mr. Lamb told about him, they also encouraged him and they gave him confidence. And Derry wanted to live for himself now. जो बच्चा डरा डरा रहता था, society से दूर रहता था, because he had developed a type of defense mechanism कि आप मुझे पसंद नहीं करते, so I don't like you also. This was a type of defense mechanism. Fine, I'm not coming to you. This type of defense mechanism he had developed. So Mr. Lamb taught him that this is a wrong attitude towards problems. He should develop the other attitude, like the positive attitude towards these things. Next question. The lesson on the face of it is an apt depiction of the loneliness and sense of alienation experienced by people on account of a disability. Explain. ये बहुत important question है, and most of the times this one is asked from this lesson. इस lesson से ये वाला long answer type में पूछा जाता है अक्सर. So now see what the question is asking. हमें पहले question को पढ़ना चाहिए और समझना चाहिए what actually the question wants. It has been found that students most of the times write the summary, write the theme, and they keep on wandering around the main point, but they do not reach to the main point. Main answer वो नहीं लिखते हैं, वहाँ पहुँचते ही नहीं है. So what you have to do? You have to focus on the words like apt depiction of the loneliness, और दूसरा क्या है? Sense of alienation. So loneliness is in the case of Mr. Lamb. Sense of alienation is in case of Derry. Okay, experienced by people on account of disability. जो disabled होते हैं उनमें sense of loneliness होता है and sense of alienation होता है. क्यों? Because they find themselves misfit to the society. वो क्या पाते हैं? That they are different from other people of the society. दूसरों से अलग हैं. Both are victims of deformity. Mr. Lamb had a tin leg and Derry had a burnt face that had burnt because of acid, and undoubtedly suffered humiliation. And obviously हमारी society ऐसी है that this society keeps on taunting such people. They do not care about their feelings, that what that person must be feeling after listening my comments. वो इस पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, but they comment on them. So they both obviously suffered humiliation. Derek had low self-esteem. Derek कौन है? Derry ही है, उसका नाम Derek है actually, and he is mentioned Derry also and Derek also in the lesson. He has low self-esteem and he was withdrawn. क्यों withdrawn था? Because people were not liking him. So he also said, fine, I also do not like you. He felt unwanted and was really very feared because people were scared of his scarred face. So वो क्या सोचता था कि I am unwanted in this world, because he got comments also that no woman will love him, so except his mother. So he felt unwanted also in this world because he was growing up. He was a teenager. Looking at Derek's example, we feel that people with physical impairment need genuine concern. जो लोग physical impairment से गुजर रहे होते हैं, जो लोग ऐसे होते हैं, they actually need genuine concern. they need empathy, they don't need sympathy, they need empathy. जो हम डायरेक्ट की लाइफ देखते हैं, एंड वी ऑल्सो फाइंड दैट इफ वी टॉक टू देम नाइसली, इफ वी यूज एनकरेजिंग वर्ड्स टू देम, देन सर्टेनली इफ दे आर हैविंग लो esteem, then also their attitude towards life will certainly change, they will become positive towards life. They can perform better than average individuals who do not suffer from any disability. कई केसेस में ये देखा जाता है और ये बात सही होती है that these people, these disabled peoples who are these days called differently abled people, okay, or specially abled people, they can perform better than average individuals who do not suffer from any disability. जो हम लोग हैं हमसे अच्छा वो परफॉर्म करते हैं, प्रोवाइडेड दे गेट द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू प्रूव देमसेल्व्स. बट व्हाट इज द मैटर हियर? राइट opportunity should be given to them. Okay, then they are also capable enough, they are smarter than us, they are smarter than normal people because they are differently able, they are spatially able, they are spatial people and they can do better than normal people. Next question. Derry and Mr. Lamb both are victims of physical impairment, but their attitudes towards life are completely different. Okay, ये बहुत common है, मतलब ये क्या है? It is like theme of this story at all. Okay, so Derry was a pessimist. Pessimist means hopeless. Okay, he had no hope at all. He was a hopeless person, and he led isolated existence. Why isolated? Because he thought that people do not like me. So he thought that I also don't like you. Okay, because of this he was leading an isolated life. He had a scarred face and he felt unwanted because he thought nobody loves me, and he had no friends at all because he kept himself secluded. अकेला रहता था often, most of the time, so he had no friends also. At the same time, अभी यहाँ पे हमने ये पहले की लाइन्स में बात की किसकी? डेरी की. Okay, we talked about Derek here. Now we'll be talking about Mr. Lamb, what kind of person he was. Mr. Lamb was optimistic, completely opposite. See, here he was pessimistic and Mr. Lamb is optimistic. Mr. Lamb was an optimistic person and he kept himself busy making jellies. When he made jellies, when it got a bit cooler, so he gathered apples from his orchard and he made jellies, toffees, and he spent his days reading books also in sun, and he was always open to strangers. He always kept his gates and windows open to welcome strangers. Even kids mocked him by calling Lammy Lamb also, but he didn't bother. He did not care about this at all. Next we have, do you think Derry's chance meeting with Mr. Lamb would prove meaningful to him? Answer giving valid reasons. Or how did Mr. Lamb's meeting with Derry become a turning point in Derry's life? या तो ये आए या फिर ये. You will be answering in similar sentences. So what answer to this will come? Before meeting Derek, an unfortunate boy. Before meeting with whom? Mr. Lamb. Derek was an unfortunate boy of 14 years. He was living a hopeless life and he was always alone. He had a bitter attitude towards life. Okay, and Mr. Lamb was opposite to him. जैसा मैंने previous answer में बताया that Mr. Lamb was full of positivity. He was an optimistic person and he gave Derry life lessons and got encouraged and transformed. Who got encouraged and transformed? Derek. Derek, because of this conversation with Mr. Lamb, he got encouraged and he transformed his life completely. And what thing else had happened here? Derek ने भी अपनी सारी बातें बताई क्योंकि Mr. Lamb was open to listen. He was listening him carefully. जब भी हमें कोई सुनता है तो हम अपनी सारी problems उससे share करते हैं. That is why Derek shared all his problems to him, and he also was getting inspired the way Mr. Lamb was living his life. Derek भी उनसे questions करता था that how he spends his days, how he spends his winter timing, everything, and Mr. Lamb was easily answering all the questions asked by Derry. Shed his own self. Derry ने क्या किया? Mr. Lamb की बातों से inspire होके he shed his own self and learns to enjoy small things of life. Life की छोटी-छोटी जो चीजें होती हैं, he learned to enjoy all of them. And when he goes home to take permission from his mother that I want to stay with Mr. Lamb for some more time, Then he tells his mother that not to believe what she listens. वो सेम चीज बोलता है अपनी मम्मी से, because Mr. Lamb, मैंने आपको प्रीवियस आंसर में बताया था, Mr. Lamb taught him not to believe what you listen. ये एक बहुत अच्छी चीज होती है कि हमें जो भी बुरी चीजें बात कही जा रही हैं, we shouldn't believe each and everything. It's not important to believe all and start taking everything on yourself. No. Okay, and it is evident in this answer that Derry followed what was taught to him by Mr. Lamb. So यहाँ पे हमें रिजल्ट दिख रहा है कि डेरी का एटीट्यूड लाइफ के प्रति चेंज हुआ है. That was all for this lesson. Thank you everyone.